In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Aave future while examining Aave cost figure for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to really think about this and in especially other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, essentially not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Aave. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner, before we dig pretty profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Aave is a kind of wise speculation or not. For what reason will Aave in every practical sense succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Aave value rise or drop? We should rapidly fundamentally toss a look at what is Aave and its to-date history. What certainly is Aave. Aave started as ETH Lend in 2017 after it brought $16.2 million up in an underlying coin offering to make an extremely decentralized shared loaning stage. Afterward, they rebranded to Aave when they changed to a liquidity pool model, which generally is genuinely huge. Aave sent off the Aave convention in 2020, an open source and extremely non-custodial liquidity convention where clients can procure interest on stores and acquire resources, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Aave is a decentralized currency market convention where clients can, all things considered, loan and fundamentally get cryptographic money across 20 unique resources as security. Aave as of now offers acquiring and loaning for 22 distinct ERC20 tokens including USDT, USDC, ETH, and Connection. Loan specialists can store any of these ERC20 tokens on Aave and for the most part procure interest on those assets, which is genuinely huge. The premium banks generally acquire certainly comes from the premium being paid by borrowers who are getting that ERC20 token. The convention has a local symbolic Aave, which is likewise an administration token that allows the local area to choose the heading of the convention in an aggregate way. The banks can procure revenue by giving liquidity to the market, while borrowers can get by collateralizing their crypt assets to take out advances from the liquidity pools, which fundamentally is very huge. Aave value forecast, or so they thought. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a really complete breakdown in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an essentially huge manner. When especially add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon explicitly is dinky, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors, or so they thought. Crypto for the most part is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is fundamentally reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin vary to really find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many explicitly times in the far off and sort of later history. Our cost expectation model basically is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, which is genuinely critical. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each venture. Basics that we in every practical sense assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other really restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 0.93% $84 59 2023 01 27 plus 6.83% $91 22 2023 01 28 plus 2.88% $87 85 2023 01 29 plus 2.20% $87 27 2023 01 30 plus 2.65% $87 65 2023 01 31 plus 0.96% $86 21 2023 02 01 plus 4.32% $89 07 2023 02 02 0.47% $84 98 2023 02 03 2.94% $82.87 Aave value forecast 2023 high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with sort of large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls, which is genuinely critical. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise in an exceptionally significant manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 15.08% $72.51. 2023 Blemish 24.47% $64.49. 2023 APRA 32.03% $58.04. 2023 May 25.35% $63.74. 2023 June 15.11% $72.48. 2023 Joe 14.90% $72.66. 2023 AUG 11.22% $75.81. 2023 SEP 4.33% $81.69. 2023 OCT plus 2.97% $87.92. 2023 NOV plus 8.85% $92.95. 2023 DEC plus 7.33% $91.65. 2024 JAN plus 16.40% $99.39. Aave value expectation 2025 forecast model sees Aave coming to $163.94 in 2025. What will Aave be worth in 5 years, which is very critical. The cost of Aave in 5 years could lie around $152.06. Aave value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Aave will be for the most part worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Aave coming to $409.85 in 2030. What Aave will be truly worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees Aave coming to $819.69 in 2040. Will Aave really supplant, explicitly outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Aave won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Aave at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Aave could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is Aave worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly dangerous financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of huge cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain, which especially is genuinely critical. Thus, in this specific situation, Aave merits purchasing. Is Aave a wise venture? Aave is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has kind of higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, certainly dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, or so they thought. What amount will Aave be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $50.21, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the long haul, it could leap to $409.85 or significantly higher in an unobtrusive manner. For what reason will Aave succeed and generally get more expensive? Aave has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, really dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason